guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but quarantine has been hard on all of us, I guess, and in particular it just like really hit my motivation with basically everything, as I'm sure a lot of you also can relate to. But I am back and I'm super happy. Went a little bit on a downside during quarantine, but what can you do? Things are different now. I've graduated high school, what the hell? I mean university, which is great. I also managed to get a job, so that's amazing as well. So yeah, I am back, and hopefully I'll be uploading more. However, I am working full-time now, so I'm not sure if I can keep that promise to myself, but here I am. And I'm going to show you a couple of pink things that I have been collecting. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a collective haul over time, and obviously the theme is pink, as it's no surprise with me, obviously. So let's get into the video. Before I just start showing you all of these things, I just want to say thank you if you even clicked on this. And if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram if you love anything pink, anything girly. I post a lot on there as well. And yeah, thank you for clicking on this video. Feel free to subscribe if you want to get updated whenever I upload new videos. And so first thing is we're going into autumn time, and I thought what better way to celebrate that than with a candle. So this one is from Primark, and it was $2.50. If you see that, yeah, $2.50. And this is in the scent Peony, Rose and Apple, and it smells really good. To be honest with you, I don't know how peonies actually smell, but this is just a really nice, like, floral, very sweet, candy-like scent. I would highly recommend getting candles from Primark because they're really nice to look at. So obviously I got the pink one because I want it as decor as well. I don't really burn them that often because I find that I don't know, my throat gets a bit irritated, but maybe that's just me. So yeah, first thing is a candle. Next thing I'm really excited about, and oh, I forgot to mention, a lot of the things that I'm going to show you guys are actually secondhand. So I have this app called Depop. I'm sure maybe some of you know about it, and I love it. I highly recommend it if you're on a budget like me, and you want to keep up with your shopping habit, I guess. You can get such nice pieces from Depop, and I'm telling you, all the things that I've bought from Depop have all been they have all been almost half price, and they've been brand new. So for example, this really cute pink skirt, I've been eyeing on Pretty Little Thing for so long. And I've never really been sure because, I mean, I do kind of have some pink skirts already, but what I really liked about this one is that it's kind of tight, like a normal sort of, I don't know, what do you call, bodycon, but then it comes out in a little frill like this, which is super nice and flattering, obviously really girly. And yeah, so it still has the price tag on, as you guys can see, and this was like half price. I don't actually remember how much it was, but obviously Pretty Little Thing is quite affordable already. But if you want to get it even cheaper and it's like brand new like this, I highly recommend checking out Depop. Yeah, so this is just a really nice, and the material of this is a I think you call this scuba, so it's quite nice and thick, although I do think you might have to wear some nude, white, or just pink underwear to match this, because I think it's gonna be a little bit see-through. But yeah, I'm really happy about this. I can't wait to wear it with like some over-knee boots, maybe like a nice little blouse, or just an like plain white or black tops with this. I think that's gonna be really nice for the autumn wardrobe. Next thing I'm gonna show you is, let me see, yeah, so next thing I bought is this really amazing lace bodysuit, and it's from Primark. This was reduced again, half price, from like £8 I believe, or something like that, to £3. So I saw this in the reduced section, and I know Primark obviously is really cheap already, and it was just by coincidence that I found it in the reduced section. And I've been looking for a really nice simple bodysuit like this for a really long time, and this is actually really nice quality. What I like about it is that it has this that it's not mesh, or like that it's not see-through in the front, which is quite nice. It's not as lingerie-y as some of them are. Obviously they're really nice as well, but yeah, this is something that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. Like, you can literally use this in the winter, summer, and yeah, style it with all kinds of things. And I love this color as well. It's a really nice blush sort of color, and I got this in a size extra small. I'm usually a small, especially in bodysuits like this, because you don't want it to be too tight, but it seems to be fitting me quite well. So and it's really stretchy as well. So yeah, I'm really happy about this purchase as well, for like £3. Next thing I'm going to show you, this is really cute, is this little headband. It's like a fluffy sort of material, and this is basically, as you can see here, it's to sort of like just get your hair away, obviously, when you do your makeup, when you do your skincare, put a face mask on or something like that. So yeah, I've been looking at these for a really long time. I know I've seen them in, like, I don't know, Primark and stuff like that, and just general drugstores, and they always have like huge bows on them and Mickey Mouse ears and whatnot. This one is really nice and simple, pink, obviously. I have yet to open this, but it feels really nice, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one as well, because I always tie my hair back when I do my makeup or do my skincare, but you know, it's the most annoying thing when you do that, but then it still sort of gets in your way and gets wet and whatnot. So I hope this is gonna be really handy, and I thought it was so cute with the pink fluffiness. It actually matches a Victoria's Secret bathrobe that I have, so that's cute. So next thing is this really beautiful dress, and this is from Pretty Little Thing as well. And again, I bought this, you guessed it, from Depop. This was as well like half price. I've been again looking at this for a really long time. And it is a bit of a occasion dress. So I recently went back to my home country, Denmark, where we had this family party. It's like a confirmation thing. It's like a religious event where there's like I don't know how to describe it. So my little sister is a teenager, and then every teenager in Denmark sort of goes through this sort of event where you go to the church and you celebrate that they're a Christian adult. It's called confirmation. I don't know what else, how else you would describe it, but it's a big thing in Denmark, and you obviously dress up and you get all formal, and I thought this was really nice. And it's quite short and really nice and flowy, but it has a nice like V-neck like this, and then I thought this was really pretty. It has this sort of cape, I don't know, section over here, so that was really nice. It looks very girly and feminine, and I got loads of compliments on it as well. And again, I got this half price, and it was brand new with a price tag as well, so I highly recommend checking out Depop. This is not sponsored by Depop or anything like that, and yeah, I'm just giving you good tips about that. So yeah, and the color obviously is pink, and I love it. I'm sure I'm gonna get more use out of this again in the future when I'm maybe going out, going somewhere formal or something like that. And last but not least, that's to go with the dress that I just showed you are these heels. So these ones are not from Depop. I know, shocker. These were actually, I paid full price for them from a online store called Zalando.com. I think it's pretty much a European site, just like ASOS, but yeah, I got these pink heels and they are quite high. I don't know if you can see that. So that is patent faux leather, but what I loved about them is the color. I'm really picky with my pink colors. I don't want it to be too nude, because a lot of them, there's a lot of these out there for really cheap and affordable, but they always have this sort of very brown, yeah, they just look more brown to me than pink, even when they stated on the internet. So yeah, I found these and I was just like, yes, I'm gonna need these because they're really nice and simple. Just show you from the back as well. You can get a good nice look at the color. So yeah, because they're really nice and simple, and you can basically have this with any kind of outfit, whether it's sort of casual or like really formal like I did. But I know that I get a lot of use out of this, and high heels like these with a really like thin strap and a thin heel like these are actually the most comfortable for me. I don't know why, but yeah, I tend to walk really well in strapped sandals like this rather than I don't know, maybe wedges or something that other people might find more comfortable. But yeah, they're quite high, but obviously you can get stuff like this everywhere. And I don't remember how much this was as I bought it in Denmark, but it was online. Yeah, I'm really happy about these. And oh, I forgot, actually the last thing is this really nice bodycon dress. This is from Misguided, and again I bought this also from Depop. Let me show you. And it's literally just it just goes to my like mid-thigh area. It's like a normal length, I would say. It's really nice material, super nice and stretchy, and this is in a size 8 or 36 as well. And yeah, I was a little tiny bit disappointed over the color of it, because as I mentioned, I'm a little bit picky with my pink colors, but actually I don't mind it too much because I thought it looked quite autumny, and I love autumn. It's my favorite season, and yeah, I thought this would look really nice with like my thigh-high boots, black boots, maybe a black belt or something. I don't have a black belt, but yeah, this was really nice, and I love anything off the shoulder. It's my favorite. I think it's so flattering, but it's emphasis on the collarbones and whatnot, and yeah, maybe it will look a bit better if I were tanned, but yeah, so this is a really nice sort of bodycon. Yeah. And I guess that's really all I wanted to show you guys. Maybe not the longest video, but at least I'm uploading something, I guess, and I just wanted to share all the pink love with you guys. And if you enjoyed these things, let me know in the comments and give me a thumbs up if you want. And don't forget to subscribe. I post, as you might see, really girly pink stuff, and also follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm the most active, and I post lots of like pink inspo type pictures. So yeah, thank you again for clicking on this video, and I hope you guys take care wherever you are in the world, and yeah, speak to you next time.